Sir, I want to tell you something. I mean, I'm elected person. Nobody can remove me. They cannot do four, five people cannot remove me as a president. I'm elected by the general body. First of all, they are tainted. They are facing charges. They are going to get their notices. I mean, I've already been show cause notice that the ombudsman will take into account whatever they have done. So they will get all the notices. I don't want to do anything wrong because they want to do things in their way. They want everything to happen in a way they want. So this thing doesn't happen because all this, I mean, removing and all is all bogus news. These are bogus things because these are all illegal things. When they are already tainted, when they are already charged, I mean, they are already been under, scanner. I mean, what these people are trying to suspend me? Please tell me. They are facing cases. They are attending courts every day. I am not attending court. I have not done any misconduct. They are doing misconduct. See, the empty vessels make more noise. Remember always. So the vessels have become empty now. That's why it's making noise.
Sir, so why targeted in this?
Why do I think it's targeted? Because I want to do things which are right for the association. I don't want to do any illegal things. I don't want to, do any irregularities in the association. I want to do what is good for the association, what is good for the game of cricket. Because nobody is thinking about the game of cricket here. Now I am going to start a T20 tournament for all the clubs. All the 216, 220 clubs I am going to start, because everybody will get an opportunity to play T20 games, and then maybe out of those 3,000 boys who will play the T20 matches very shortly after the lockdown, there will be some people, some boys will be like 10 or 12 boys will come up and come up in cricket and then might go and play for the country, they might go and play for the association. So you never know, because once you have, because the moment they only restrict the people, नहीं आप ये नहीं खेल सकते, आप वो नहीं खेल सकते. नहीं, when you are a club, even a T20 game, you have to play. And there is nothing wrong. So I am going to start this T20. I mean, as soon as the lockdown is over, we are going to have T20 and then we will have the T20. Everybody will play. Everybody will get a chance to play. Now, nobody can have a complaint that I have not played this, I have not played this. This is the first time it is happening. This is giving a platform for players, who are good, they can get to IPL, they can get to anywhere, if they perform well, they will get. So, this is what I am going to start the season from. Because those people are not interested in cricket, they are only interested in clubs. Clubs में कितने clubs रखना, A division में 25 club रखना, 24 club रखना, it doesn't work like that. So everybody, you should play. If you have done well, you should play A division. It's good. If you are good enough, you have players, you can play A division. Yeah, even the districts also are suffering because districts also are neglected. Because districts may now with the new this thing, that 31 districts has come. So now we have to give every district everything. So it is not a easy job. It is tough, but we'll do it. With the right things, with the right-minded people, things can happen. Because if people are like this, who are facing so many criminal charges, so many charges, I cannot work like that. Because the way they are threatening the accountants, saying that you sign the voucher without the president's signature, and then why are you scared? And these are all the threatenings. I've got a SMS from the accountant saying that that the treasurer is threatening. So how can the treasurer threaten? Please tell me, Surendra. You cannot threaten, because those are the people have taken. They have done. They should do all the big agencies should do an inquiry to find out what they have done, why there so much corruption has happened in the association. The ED and even the CBI and everybody should make an inquiry about it, because then you will know what is right and what is wrong. And even the chief committee of administrators have said that there has to be an inquiry done by the SFIO and even CBI also in the PIL in their report. So these people have done like that, because why only 20-25 people are ruling this? Why not? Because for the last 20-25 years, only these people will rule. Why there are other people are also there? Because they are making a blackmail tactics. Because they always blackmail the secretary, they all make the members. It is not going to work with me. Because I am not going to get scared by this. See, when there is going to be a revolution, all these things will happen. All the mud and everything is thrown. But I am ready to take it. But at the end of the day, I know that I am doing only for the betterment of the game of cricket, and also the betterment of the association, because it has suffered a lot, because we have got a very, very bad name outside Hyderabad. Right. So when things happen, when a revolution happens, things sometimes go out of hand. So I am ready to prepare for it. I am not going to back off.
Is BCCI aware of the situation?
Well, BCCI is aware of the situation. I will talk to the BCCI.
Right. Okay. So what being a president, what are you willing to do to get this situation under control?
No, I am just waiting, because the ombudsman have to take the decision. The ombudsman, we have already given them show cause notice long back. because all the wrong things which they have done, they have hidden facts from the president, the hidden facts, and the secretary is getting official notice in his house and not even telling me, and then going and colluding with the Budding Star Cricket Club, saying that whatever they is doing. How can you, go with the club? You are a secretary of the association. When something is going against the association, you have to protect the association. You have to fight for the association. And you cannot do like that.